In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Excel. By the end, you'll know how to export data from a Monday board into Excel and then import updated items back into Monday, so you can keep both tools working together smoothly. Let's start inside your Monday.com board. Look towards the top right corner of the board. You'll see an icon with three small dots, usually next to the board's name or main toolbar. This is often called the More Options or Context menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This menu is where Monday hides a lot of powerful actions, including exporting and importing your data. When that menu opens, look through the list and click on More Actions. This expands additional options that aren't shown by default. If you don't see it right away, just move your mouse slowly down the menu until you find More Actions, then select it. Inside the More Actions section, find and click on Export Board to Excel. This tells Monday that you want a downloadable spreadsheet version of your current board. Typically, this will include your groups, item names, and most column data like statuses, dates, and people, depending on your setup. After choosing to export, Monday will usually show a small confirmation or a pop-up. Here, click on Export to confirm. Monday will then generate an Excel file for you. Depending on your browser settings, it may download automatically to your default downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose where to save the file. Once it's saved, you can open it in Microsoft Excel, analyze the data, add formulas, or adjust values as needed. This exported file is your working copy. Now, when you're ready to bring updated information back into Monday, you will essentially repeat the process from the same place. Go back to your Monday board and click again on the three dots in the top right corner to open that menu. Just like before, select More Actions to reveal the extra options. This time, instead of exporting, choose Import Items. This option lets you bring data from a file, such as your edited Excel sheet, back into the board. When you click Import Items, Monday will guide you through uploading your file and mapping the columns so that each piece of information from Excel goes into the correct place on your board. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the import, and your Excel updates will appear as items in Monday.com, keeping your workflow in sync across both platforms.